Good evening, friends. Today we'll talk about diabetes. Whatever experience or little bit I know about diabetes over a period of time, I'll share it with you. It may not be totally correct. You have to consult a doctor before taking any medication. So diabetes is a very serious, very serious disease. Basically, diabetes is control of sugar. If this control of sugar is not done properly by our body organs, it leads to many other diseases. A 2% increase in diabetic sugar can affect other organs. It can affect kidney, it can affect liver, it can affect our eyes. So it is very serious and one should take adequate precautions. What is the normal sugar level in a body? In a normal body, a person who does not have diabetic, the normal fasting is 70 to 99, that is less than 100. 70 to 99 mg per dl is the normal, and after 2 hours, if after breakfast it is taken, it should be less than 140 mg per dl. In case of diabetic patient, it should be under control, and fasting it should be from 80 to 130, fasting 80 to 130, and after 2 hours of breakfast it should be less than 180. Even low blood sugar affects our body. This problem is called hypoglycemia. If the sugar is less than 70 mg per dl, it causes dizziness, faintness, confusion in the body, which is again a very serious problem. What are the symptoms of diabetes? Excessive thirst, high urination, one feels tired even after having food, and there is an unexplained weight loss. These are the general symptoms of diabetes. Now, why it take place? It can take place if you have weight gain in the middle of your body, that is on your tummy. If you have weight gain, it could happen. High cholesterol, high triglyceride, high BP, smoking, drinking, alcohol. It can also be caused due to hereditary, and it can also be caused due to stress. Stress is also a major component which can cause diabetes. Which organ controls diabetes? Pancreas is the organ which is located behind your navel, in between your stomach and your spinal cord. But it is behind the navel, between your stomach and spinal cord. The pancreas is about 6 inches long. It helps in, it has two functions to perform. One is the digestion of food. When we take food, it goes into stomach. The pancreas secretes some juices which help in digestion of the food. Second function is control of sugar. Control of sugar is done in two ways. One is by insulin and second is by glucagon. So insulin, what insulin does, it reduces the sugar in the blood, and glycogen increases the sugar in the blood. So this is the way the sugar is controlled in the blood by the pancreas. Now there are three root causes why diabetes can take place. There is glucose in the blood, because pancreas are secreting the insulin. So glucose, sugar is broken down and it goes and makes glucose. Glucose goes into the blood and the blood circulates in our body. This blood goes to the brain, and there the glucose is extracted from this blood and put into another fluid which circulates in our body and gives energy to our body. Now, if this process of extracting glucose from the blood is hampered or is weakened, the blood sugar increases. This could be due to high blood pressure or high tension in the body. Second root cause, if we consume more sweets, sugar consumed is more. So pancreas become weak over a period of time. So when pancreas become weak, the insulin is not produced properly. So again the blood sugar and glycogen is produced, so the blood sugar in the blood increases. Third and the last root cause could be unnecessary unwanted heat generation in the body. This, what happens is when heat is generated in the body, extra heat is generated, the pancreas get affected, so they produce less insulin, and in this condition one gets thirsty. So how to find diabetes? One can easily find diabetes by acupressure technique. We have in the hand, right hand, if you see this line and this line, in between these two lines there is a place. This place is called lymph glands. This part of the area is lymph glands, which is point number 16. So if you press and release, here, and if there is a pain in this part, shooting pain in this portion of the hand, that means your blood sugar is high. So immediately you have to take precautions. So press and release, you will get a shooting pain in this part. Similarly, in the other hand, you have the same point, this line, and the center part is the lymph glands. So press and release. Now, point number 25 is the pancreas. Here you can see in this hand, pancreas lie in between these 2 points, and this is the area the pancreas are indicated. So when you press and release these points here, if there is a shooting pain, that means the sugar is in your urine also. Here it is in the blood sugar. The pancreas, if you press and release, the sugar will be in your urine. If you check, you will get it. If there is no shooting pain, that means your pancreas are working perfectly alright. So if there is a pain, what you have to do is, for 1 minute, press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release. And this you can do 3 times a day. Similarly, on the other hand, between these 2 points, this is the pancreas. So press and release, 3 times a day. Do not press with your nail, press with your thumb. In acupressure, you press with your thumb, hold backside and press with your thumb. So this pancreas will get activated. Now we'll come to cure. This is one cure I told you to cure the lymph glands and the pancreas. Second is diet. What all diet you should take and what you should avoid. Carbohydrates you have to reduce. You have to cut on the sugary food, sugary diet. All the sweets and all you have to immediately stop. Avoid processed food, cheese, butter, all these things you need to avoid. But you should have plenty of nuts, almonds, groundnuts. Don't fry them, just roast and have them directly. Olive oil you can take, stop all the refined oil and other oils. Take olive oil, prepare vegetables with olive oil, little bit of olive oil. Fish, roasted fish you can have. Another very good suggestion for reducing the diabetes is, once you eat your food in your mouth, there are a lot of juices which come out and digest the food. So the suggestion is that each bite you should chew it 15 times before gulping it. So what this does is, this removes the burden on the pancreas and the food gets digested in your mouth itself. So pancreas, even if they are producing less insulin, it will not affect your body. So chew your food 15 times each bite. You can have in the morning, empty stomach, take kheera, tomato and karela. Kheera, tomato, karela in equal quantity, and put 4 to 5 leaves of neem. 4 to 5 leaves of neem and make a juice. And take 1 glass of juice in the morning. This will reduce your blood sugar. In case your body is having excessive heat, that is the root cause of pancreas working less. So what you have to do is take a half cup of fresh juice of green coriander leaves. धनिया के पत्ते ले लो, उसका जूस बना लो, आधा कप, 2 ounces उसमें जूस डाल के उसको आप सुबह सुबह खाली पेट पी लीजिए। एंड डे टाइम में क्या करना है, यू कैन हैव 2 to 3 cups ऑफ दिस जूस, ग्रीन जूस, बट इन दिस ग्रीन जूस यू हैव टू मिक्स 1 teaspoon of mixture. What mixture? Take 300 grams of आंवला, 300 ग्राम आंवला और 100 ग्राम जिंजर पाउडर। आंवला पाउडर 300 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम जिंजर पाउडर, इसको मिक्स कर लीजिए। इसका 1 चम्मच हर एक कप में डालिए। दैट इज कोरिएंडर लीव्स का जूस निकाल के 1 कप में डाल दीजिए पानी के साथ, उसमें 1 चम्मच ये डाल दीजिए, उसको पी लीजिए। ये डे टाइम में करना है आपको। तो ये तरीकों से आपका जो है डाइट कंट्रोल से आपको डायबिटीज़ विल गेट क्योर्ड। Exercise is another very important aspect in sugar. For exercise, you can do brisk walking for at least 45 minutes a day. Brisk walking means walking very fast. You start from the slow pace, go to the medium pace, then brisk walking, high pace, then again come down slowly. In 45 minutes, do it. You will start sweating. With this, you will burn the calories. The sugar in your blood will get burned, will get consumed, so your blood sugar will come down. You can also do cycling, jogging, playing tennis, or if you can run, that is the best exercise. Acupressure, I have already told you, point number 16, lymph glands and pancreas, press and release. And finally, I will tell you about pranayam and yoga, which can cure even the hereditary diabetes can be cured with pranayam. You have Kapalbhati and Mandukasana. These 2 asanas can even cure the hereditary diabetes. And finally, what is tension and how to remove tension, this I will tell you after some time in the next video.